Hey ladies and gentlemen, right now I'm going to just do a quick test recording for everyone so that we can see that I am not making this up. How we all doing here? I'm going to try to drive my vehicle after getting in the passenger side from this side of the lot to that side of the lot and see exactly if you can hear what's going on. We're in the car, we've killed sound. I'm going to kind of place this here. Hopefully it will, you see a little bit of me. How to do this. Roll down this window here. See what's going on. Put this on. It's not going to be fun. Hear whatever's happening. I don't know if you guys heard that. Obviously that wasn't going too fast, but you can still hear that it is not in the best conditions and probably should be replaced. So